Nagpapasalamat ako kay former Governor Chavez Singson. In fact, tumatawag siya sa akin twice.
Punta ka sa Villamor Airways. Natanong mo ba ni Amy Marcos na saan siya? Kasi hindi ka pinapasok eh. Tapos yung si Alpotera nakapasok. Yun lang ang tanong ko. Kasi kaibigan mo siya. Di ba kung
Hindi ko siya-
kaibigan mo siya, nandoon siya sa'yo?
I know this question has been asked many times. Yung impeachment na nakahang pa rin sa'yo, how are you going to address the allegations of, for example, fictitious names as beneficiaries of the fund?
It can be very well addressed during trial. So our lawyers are preparing for the trial and collecting pieces of evidence and gathering affidavits from witnesses that they will present during trial. But let me just um, say this, no, na I think it is wrong for everyone to pick up as truth or as a fact all the pronouncements of the members of the House of Representatives, particularly with the fictitious names, because there are rules in intelligence operations, and you already heard some of intelligence people who work in intelligence say that aliases are often used in intelligence operations. So, yeah.
So it can be deduced that the fictitious names are not real names but aliases.
That can be discussed during the trial, ma'am. I do not want to elaborate on intelligence operations. We have an intelligence expert on our side, two actually, who will be our resource persons. So let us wait for the trial. And as I said yesterday, if there is no trial, then I will answer it publicly, which is I just want to wait what will happen to the articles of impeachment.
Ma'am, regarding naman po sa case ng inyong aba. So, yung defense team po, si Attorney Kaufman, he seeks to present po yung Senate findings ng committee po or ng panel po ni Senator Amy Marcos. So, napag-usapan po ba ninyo yun ni Senator Marcos nung magkasama po kayo sa Malaysia? Tsaka, sa tingin po ninyo, ano po ba magiging epekto nitong paggamit nung kung papayagan po magamit itong panel report dun sa ICC case?
Not discussed the findings of the committee of Senator Marcos with her. I do not know. They had a private meeting. Attorney Kaufman and Senator Marcos had a private meeting here in The Hague when she came for the rally. And I do not know what they discussed. And Attorney Kaufman is careful as well on what he discusses with me because there are some things, there are many parts of the defense strategy that are confidential and are privileged between the lawyer and the client.
Ma'am, kumusta po pala yung inaayos niyong oath-taking for mayor of your father? Is it going to happen?
Hindi po ako nag-aayos ng oath-taking niya, ma'am. Inaasikaso po yun ng kanyang mga abogado sa Pilipinas. So hindi ko po alam kung anong update ng mga lawyers niya sa Pilipinas. Andito po ako para bumisita kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at magpakita ng support.
Bibi, can I ask question? Nag-explain niyo po yung mga evidence ni Claire Castro na half of the evidence po is blanco, na mga barangays that drugs-free daw po, Bibi. Tapos na masyado daw makapal yung mga list. Pero half of that is empty. Ano po masasabi niyo na?
Well, it's not surprising coming from the administration, no? They fabricate many things and many accusations. So I would not be surprised if they fabricate data with regard to the drug situation. So,
Example, ng fake news.
uh, absent law on fake news, kung ano yung hindi totoo, hindi truthful, and faithful to the facts, that would be fake news.
VP, I know we ask this all the time. Meron po bang mensahe si President Duterte sa mga kababayan niya?
Kanina, masyadong mahaba kasi I'm sorry ha. Kanina, he had message for everyone. It was so long and somehow hindi ko na nakuha lahat. I'm so sorry.
Pero VP, to follow up on that, is our former president ever tired of us asking about his message to us? Kasi merong nagtanong, VP.
No. I ask him his message every day. Pero gist ko na lang yung kanina na sinasabi niya ha. Sinabi niya, lahat ng ginawa niya ay para sa bansa. At sinabi niya, hindi lahat ng mga nakakulong. He was directing it to my son actually. Sabi niya, not all people in detention are bad. I am not here because I am a kidnapper, I am a robber, I am a holdupper, I am a thief. I am here because I did things for my country.
Yes.
And I do not regret going after criminals and going after people dealing in illegal drugs for my country. So yun yung gist na medyo mahaba yun kanina.
VP, pwede ako magtanong tungkol kasi kaibigan mo si Amy Marcos. Kasi palagi ako papunta dito, walang nagtatanong tungkol sa dalawa ninyo. Yung nagpunta ka sa Villamor Airways, natanong mo ba ni Amy Marcos na saan siya? Kasi hindi ka pinapasok eh. Tapos yung si Alpotera nakapasok. Yun lang ang tanong ko. Kasi kaibigan mo siya. Di ba kung
Hindi ko siya-
kaibigan mo siya, nandoon siya sa'yo?
Wait ma'am, sandali ha.
Kasi may,
Hindi ko na kasi maalala ma'am. Tingnan ko lang yung chat namin ma'am.
Oo, kasi-
Nag-usap kami nung araw.
Kasi-
ma'am.
maraming
March
nagtatanong sa
11
akin.
yun, no?
Okay, importante naman doon. Sasagutin niya. Sasagutin.
Hanapin ko lang ma'am kung meron kaming chat that day, March 11. Pero sa maalala ko lang ma'am, wait lang. Tingnan na lang natin para hindi.
Lagi ng weather ngayon, VP.
Oh, mahaba din yung chat namin. Sandali lang.
Sorry.
Nasa May pa tayo. Nasa May 10 pa tayo. May 7 pa tayo. May 1. So, may isang buwan pa. April 12. April 12. April 6. Tayo ba?
Nag-ganon sa
Ay, nasa bus. March 11.
Hindi pwede i-share dito.
That is very important. That is very important because si BP is very trusted with Amy Marcos. Baka yan ang manggulo sa 2028. Yes, that's
Wait lang, wait lang.
Yeah, I know. Marcos is traitor.
Love, calm down.
Yeah, I know.
Wala kami
Tanawa.
during the ma'am.
That is very important, BP.
Wala, ma'am. Wala kami.
Pondo.
Oh, hindi mo siya natanong.
Actually, natanong ma'am
Oh, nasaan
kung
siya?
pwede,
Kaibigan ka.
nasaan siya, hindi mo siya natanong.
Bakit hindi siya doon sa Villamor Airways kung tapat siya sa iyo, tapat siya sa mga Duterte? Kasi nakipag-ariglo siya sa iyo, naging kaibigan mo na ngayon.
Ma'am,
Tapos wala siya sa Villamor Airways.
Sagutin mo
hindi
siya.
naman ako, hindi ako spokesperson ni Senator Amy Marcos, pero in fairness to her, ang dami nang wala doon sa Villamor Air Base, ma'am. Ang dami talaga na nagsasabi na para kay President Duterte sila at sumusuporta sila kay President Duterte, pero wala sila doon sa Villamor Air Base at all.
Pero ang girlfriend,
Okay.
Next question.
Next question. Tama. Next question.
Ano lang, kasi, ito lang, napakinggan ko yung interview ni Manong Chavit sa Bilyonaryo na pag kumandidato ka po daw po kayo sa 2024, support po daw po siya sa'yo. Dahil nagka-amnesia na daw po Alzheimer na si BBM. Ano po masasabi mo kay Manong Chavit?
Well, nagpapasalamat ako kay former Governor Chavit Singson. In fact, tumatawag siya sa akin twice bago yan lumabas ang interview. Tumawag siya sa akin. Twice ko din na hindi nakatanggap yung call niya, na miss call lang siya. Tapos nung nag-message naman ako sa kanya na tatawag ako, hindi na siya nakasagot. Baka busy din kasi. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa kanyang suporta. At isa siya sa mga tao na kilala ko na maayos kausap at may prinsipyo na tao.
Opo.